Okay, what we're now going to do, we're going to do with the ATP tape swab test, we're going to try a sink because it's very, very well known and for knowledge around the world now for kitchen sinks, for sinks in bathrooms, drains, are now becoming a common problem for bacteria and viruses and mold. So we're just going to test in the sink here now at the moment with an APT. So we'll see what the count is around a sink. Normally this should be done around a hospital or an aged care environment because a lot of bacteria and viruses come off gassing and flux back up. 1522. If they're looking for the health around a kitchen preparation, it should be 20. So that's what's sitting around a drain in a kitchen sink. Okay, what we're now going to do is use the EnviroMist. Because we've got such high readings, we're just going to atomise around the top and inside, and then we'll leave that for half an hour and we'll come back and retest. If we remember when we swabbed the sink before, we got a measurement of 1522. We've left that in the same dwell time of about half an hour. What we're now going to do, we're going to re-swab the same area again and see what result we get after that, after half an hour's work. We'll put it into the ATP monitor and then we'll see what results. The same thing again, the longer it sits on the surface and allow the probiotics to move across surfaces, and that's the key to the product part of the probiotics, that they'll work for hours and days, continuous working. That's the result that we're after. If you're looking for information about our probiotic cleaners, go to healthybs.com.au and all the information there is about Z BioScience probiotics. Thank you.